What's up, my people? It's your girl Donna, and I'm here with another video. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you will be the first to know when I upload my next video. Let's dive right into it. Today I am going to cook brown stew chicken. Let's check it out. Okay, so I clean up the chicken. I remove the fat and the skin from the chicken. The next thing I do is wash it with some cold water and vinegar. Upon doing that, I am going to wash it off with some hot water to get off some of the grease off of the chicken. So I let it drain, and now I'm going to season up the chicken with some bell pepper, some scallion and thyme, pimento, onions, a lots of garlic, so now I'm going to rub that seasoning. I'm going to add some Mrs. Dash, some Maggie all-purpose, which is my favorite, and a little salt. I rub that in, and then I'm going to add a little tubes of browning just to give it a little color. There you have it. So I use Grace browning because that's all I know. I used to. So there you have it. So I season up the chicken and I let it soak for about 2 to 3 hours. I try to do it early enough to season up the chicken and let it soak. Sometimes I do it overnight, but when I'm in a rush, I know I'm going to cook chicken today. I try to do it early so it gets to soak. So there you have it. And now I am going to take off all the seasoning and fry the chicken. But I don't fry the chicken deep. I just light fry the chicken. There you have it. Just let it get some color. So there you go. So I fry all the chicken. And now I am going to throw off the oil and then add the chicken in the bottom of the pot and then put the seasoning on it. I also add a tomato. So the seasoning that I removed earlier, I am now adding all of that season on the chicken. And just turn it up a little bit. And I turn the stove down. Now I'm going to let the seasoning cook into the chicken a little bit, and then I add a little water. So I let that cook down. Let the water cook down on the chicken for a couple of minutes. You could time it. I didn't. But there you have it. And that's how I cook my brown stew chicken. So hope you enjoy this brown stew chicken. I am going to show you now how I cook my rice and peas. Some people said rice and bean, but for me, I said rice and peas. So there you have it. That's how I cook my brown stew chicken. And that's the rice and peas, but I'm going to show you now how I do my rice and peas. Okay, so let's dive right into this. So I washed the peas. I washed 3 cups of peas and put it on with some water on the fire to make it cook, with a little salt and a peg of garlic. Now I'm going to break the coconut, and I'm going to blend the coconut with some hot water. There you go. So I'm blending the coconut and I'm going to strain it off. This peas is already on the fire, so the minute the peas boiled up, I just put some coconut milk into the pot and I let it cook with coconut milk. When the peas halfway cook, I add the rest of the coconut milk and let it cook with the peas. Okay, there you have it. So upon doing that, I'm going to season it now because the peas is cooked. So now I season it with a piece of bell pepper, a little pimento, piece of scallion, thyme, half an onion, and a hot Scotch bonnet pepper. I did not cut the Scotch bonnet pepper, I just put it in there for the flavor. And I add a little salt. So there you go. So the season cooked for about 10 minutes. So now I add the rice. I wash the rice with some hot water to get off some of the starch. And I add it to the pot and mix it in. And upon boiling up, I just turn it down and let the rice steam. So there you have it. That's how I cook my rice and peas. So there you have it, guys, and I hope you enjoy this video, my brown stew chicken with rice and peas. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye for now.